What's going on, everybody? Chanel Stevens here. I'm back again with another video, and in this video I'm gonna be going over the best part of CPA marketing and why I love it. The things that I think are like, when you get a job and they like pitch you all the benefits, like, we got 401k matching, we got overtime hours, we got all these little perks that come with the job, like free coffee and things like that. Well, I think it's good to know like all the perks of like CPA. So I'm just gonna break those down. I'm gonna go over just some of the things that I really think I take advantage of the most, and the reason why I love and choose to do this business model. So the number one thing that it gives you is time freedom. So time freedom to me is like the biggest seller, because you literally can have a campaign just running, and if you got it optimized and everything like that, it's pretty much autopilot. So you just sit there and you keep checking your phone, and you just see like you just made another $100 in like the last 30 minutes or the last 20 minutes, or like however, like it'd be so like crazy how like stuff just moves, like when you can just send traffic. And once you get the especially paid traffic, when you can just send tons and tons of clicks, like me, I send thousands of clicks a day, and once you have those clicks optimized, it allows you to just send traffic that's pretty much autopilot. So you just get all this time to just do whatever you want to do. You can just I like to go to the movies, I like to go out of town, I like to sometimes go play basketball or play tennis, or just do something like just fun with my time. Like I literally have so much free time, and it's just crazy. I live in a neighborhood where everybody like has to go to work and stuff like that, and it's just like I'm just like this young kid just like living life and like never having to go to work, just like have my own home office set up, and like I just go downstairs and just like click some buttons and launch some ads and stuff, and then I'm just like free for the rest of the day. That's pretty much how it goes. So I really say that time freedom is one of the best things. All right, now the second thing that I want to go over that's basically one of the best things is the amount of money you can make, because it's really unlimited. Like it's no cap on how much like you could just make in this whole industry. People make multi-million dollars, off campaigns, in just one CPA network. People make millions and millions of dollars, and it's just crazy the potential you have with these actual affiliate offers. You're able to just send as much traffic as you want on some. I mean, some offers may have caps and things like that, but you have an opportunity in this industry to make as much money as you want. In most jobs, they cap you. They tell you, you can only make 60K here, you can only make 70K here, or even at like commission-based jobs. Like people don't be just like at these commission jobs just making millions and millions of dollars. They make maybe just like a few $1,000s at most a day. And it's like crazy how you could just basically just make thousands and thousands of dollars per day just off one CPA offer. You don't even have to have multiple CPA offers. You can make thousands and thousands of dollars just off one CPA offer, and then you can just and that's another thing to go along with time freedom, because now it's like you can have like financial freedom, which is you have abundance of money, which is basically what I have. I have an abundance of money, and I have an abundance of time. So I'm able to, at first it was like going crazy. I was just like blowing through money and things like that, but you can get a hold on it and then start being more strategic. And it just allows for me, like I told you, the things I like to do, my time freedom, but the financial freedom, like I'm able to take the vacations where I want to go. A lot of you guys follow me on Facebook, you see I'm able to stay nice places, or my YouTube channel, you see like I'm always in like suites and things like that. And that's what doing CPA marketing has allowed for me. I'm able to just live the lifestyle of a successful person, but it's not like I have to overdo it. Like I still have my own like 3-story townhouse. I got 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. Like it's like too much space in here really. And then when I'm just bored with this, I just go somewhere else. And it's just pretty crazy. Like I'm able to afford all this because of CPA marketing. So financial freedom is definitely like key. I wasn't able to do this off my 9-to-5 job. And I didn't even have a 9-to-5. I had a 9-to-9. I was working 9 to 9. I had other jobs where I was slave, and I wasn't able to make, even if I worked overtime, I wasn't having financial freedom. I wasn't able to take trips and do nothing, And I know I keep relating back to jobs, but that's really the only thing that really like think is like the other choice, like do this or like work a job, I would say this wins every time. But that's just one of the best parts about it, is just, you know, making money. All right, so another perk of CPA marketing is the fact that you can actually work from anywhere. So I know you have time freedom, financial freedom, but you can actually like work and do your work like while you're out enjoying life. So you could be like on vacation, and as long as you have your laptop, you know, a stable internet connection, you can launch your campaigns, you can check your campaigns, you can optimize your campaigns, you know, you can spy, you can do everything you need to do for CPA marketing. You can actually do it anywhere. So all you need is your laptop. You know, it's truly the laptop lifestyle, where you can literally like, when I'm on these vacations and stuff like that, guys, I'm still working. I'm not just lounging around, you know, not getting any work done. You know, I'm still able to work, and that's a perk of CPA marketing, is you don't have to be tied down to a location. You don't have to go in physically nowhere. You don't have to ship anything out. You don't have to do anything, you know, once you actually make that conversion. All you have to do is just get traffic to the actual offers and optimize them so that they're actually making you money. So that's what I teach here on the channel, and that's why I really wanted to make this video, because it's so many benefits to this business model. And once you start realizing that, and you'll just have all these whys on why you should do this, why you need to be successful, why you need to go as hard as you can to be successful, because really it's all upside. So if you're somebody out there and you have to commute to work, you have to you know, even I know people that work from home and stuff, but they have to like have a certain setup, like the company ships them out a computer and they have to like use all the equipment and everything like that. So they still like tied down to like their home office. But thing is, my home office is optional. I can work in my home office. I can work here on my couch. I can work in my bed. I can work in a hotel room or an Airbnb or wherever I need to be, at whatever state. I can be out the country. Like when I went to Canada, I was still working on my CPA marketing business, because like I know how that feels. Like I used to be the person who like I had to drive to work. I had to wait in traffic, and it was brutal. It was brutal. Because Atlanta is different. Atlanta, I don't know what like city and state you're from. I know I have a lot of people in Georgia that watch me, but if you from Georgia, you know, like it's so many people that be on the road all day. I could leave right now. It's going to be traffic. That's why I have to have like a peach pass on my car, like so I can like drive in like this lane that's designated to like avoid traffic and stuff like that. Like it's really ridiculous. But you know, I have a lot of time freedom, so I'm not really in a rush to really go anywhere. But it's just like, for people that actually have to do that every day, you know, I have a sister, she has to do that. She has to wait in traffic, she has to go to work and, you know, do all that stuff. And like, it's just, then they look at me like, wow, like that's really cool. Like you don't have to, like you can work from home. You don't have to drive or commute or do anything. And yet you make tons and tons of money, yet you have tons and tons of time. And I'm just like, yeah, it's just the perks of CPA marketing. Like it really looks like this like glamorous lifestyle on the outside, but I don't look at it like glamorous. I just look at it as like, I earned this. Like when I found out about this business model, I took it serious and I said, hey, it matched up, you know, especially someone coming from like MLM and things like that, and seeing how I didn't really have to do all that sign people up stuff. All I had to do was just get some traffic to my offer, just send people directly to what I had to sell instead of having to put on a presentation or get on a three-way call and do all these extra things. So that's why I really love this actual business model, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop me a comment if you enjoyed this video. Also, drop me a like and a sub if you're new to the channel. I'm Chanel Stevens. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.